This tutorial provides a brief description of the features under the Accounting menu. The Accounting menu houses data and features related to the Commission Tracking System, or CTS. Account transactions will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing all account transaction records. Some types of account transactions, such as payments or payment net deductions, are created automatically from the closed deal workflow. Others, such as draw advances or expense reimbursements, are created manually or imported. Assets will open a list with filter options for finding and managing asset records, which can be used to track laptops and other office assets. Customers will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing all customer records. GL codes will load a form for managing your accounting general ledger codes. House accounts will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing house account records. Invoices will open a search form and list for finding, applying payments to, and documenting status updates on all invoices. Invoice Adjustments will take you to a list with filter options for finding and viewing all invoice adjustments. Invoice Remittance Address opens a list for managing one or multiple invoice remittance addresses for the invoices you send out. Invoice Voids will take you to a list with filter options for finding and viewing all invoice voids. Payroll Periods will load a form for entering the dates for your payroll periods. Predefined payroll periods make it easier to generate broker pay sheets. Vendors In-house will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing all in-house vendor records. In-house vendors are for brokers employed by or contracted for your firm. Vendors Outside will open a list with filter options for finding and managing all outside vendor records. Outside vendors are for external brokers. Vendors Staff will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing all staff vendor records. Staff vendors are for internal staff members or non-brokers. Unlike in-house vendors, staff vendors do not require a commission split plan. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.